Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add watermark to a video for YouTube. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use an application called InShot Video Editor. So I'm going to recommend you to download this application and install this application on your mobile phone. You can get this application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And after you have installed this application, you can open it, and then we're going to create new project. We can select video and then select new, and then you can import your video, your YouTube video or the video you want to upload to your YouTube channel. And I'm going to pick random video from my device. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. Let's say I'm going to upload this video to YouTube, but wait, for YouTube video, we're going to change the aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio, we can select canvas, and then we can choose this ratio, 16:9. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in like this. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to remove the watermark of InShot, and I'm going to replace it with my own watermark for my YouTube video. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, now the watermark has been removed from my video, and then I'm going to add watermark. So if we want to add watermark, guys, we can go to the text, and then we can select text, and then you can type in your watermark. I'm just going to add watermark like this, and we can change the font if we want. For instance, I'm going to choose this font. Okay. And usually watermark is transparent, so we're going to make it transparent. But wait, I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay. And to make it transparent, we can go to the edit menu, and we're going to go to this menu, the style menu, and select the opacity, and we're going to reduce the opacity to make it transparent. Okay, I'm just going to make it for about 30%. Okay, now it's done, and as you can see guys, that the watermark has been added to my video, and you can place this watermark to any part of your video, but I recommend you to place it on the center of the video so people can't crop your video, crop the watermark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a watermark to your video for YouTube. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.